Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix OneNote data sync issues. If you've been experiencing problems with your notes not syncing properly across devices, this solution will help you repair the app without having to reinstall everything from scratch. Let's get started and get your OneNote working smoothly again. First, start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. This initial step is important because you want to confirm that the sync issue is still present before moving forward with the repair process. Take a moment to check if your recent notes are appearing or if you're still seeing sync errors. Once your notebook has been loaded and you've verified the sync problem, we're going to repair your software entirely. This is actually a much better option than reinstalling the whole application because it preserves your settings and local data while fixing any corrupted files that might be causing the sync issues. To begin the repair process, hit your Windows key on your keyboard and type in Apps and Features, then hit Enter. This will open the Control Panel section where you can manage all your installed applications. From your Apps and Features window, you'll see a list of all the applications you have installed on your system. Now scroll down through this list and locate OneNote for Windows 10. Once you've found it, click on it to reveal additional options. You'll notice that clicking on the app makes new buttons appear beneath it. Look for and click on Advanced Options beneath the icon. This takes you to a dedicated settings page specifically for OneNote, where you can access repair and reset tools. From the OneNote Advanced Options page, scroll down until you find the Reset section. This section contains two powerful tools for fixing app problems. Here you can click on Repair to start the repair process on your OneNote app and fix the data sync issues. The repair function works by checking all the app files and restoring any that are damaged or missing without affecting your personal notebooks or settings. Click on Repair and give it a moment to complete the process. The system will scan the application and automatically fix any problems it detects. Once the repair is finished, open OneNote again and check if your sync issues have been resolved. Your notes should now sync properly across all your devices. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.